I'm not talking right now. Woo. Downtown Brooklyn, baby. Downtown Brooklyn. Right there, the Statue of Liberty. I'm not gonna zoom in. Alright guys, so wait, is the lighting good here?
Yeah, the lighting's fucking good here.
ISO boom. Alright, so we in downtown Brooklyn right now. Y'all see the views, y'all see the vibe, you know what I'm saying? We out here. Yep. What we about to do is we're about to go to Wall Street, I believe, with Miguel. He's in the back right there. We're also about to go to
Miguel, say what up?
Hey, we're about to go to Wall Street, visit some Wall Street shit, go to Washington Square Park, grab acai bowls, because you know that's what I love to do when I'm in New York.
Acai bowls.
Other than that, you know, we're just gonna talk along the way, talk about positivity, talk about life, because hey, life's too good to ever be sad and shit, right?
That's a fact. Views.
They're making me wait and shit on this train. Gotta get my workout in. So gotta... That's what I'm talking about, man. That shit be beautiful. Damn. Yo, scratch what I said, because I'm not going to Washington Square Park. Just gonna go back home and go to sleep because I'm tired. Alright, peace out. But yeah, Wall Street was pretty dope. I don't know what else to say. I just ate some good food. Tired, about to go home, go to sleep, get some work done maybe, I don't know. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Have a great day. There's more Wall Street. Yo, what's up guys? So, forgot to update the vlog, but I'm in Soho right now at Amazon's co-working space. I saw it on YouTube once, so I decided to come here. Look at this shit. You can see right here, it's my business, my full name, CEO, Sales and Marketing, man. This is dope. I do have my own stores and on Instagram, you know, I used to do a lot of Shopify, so a lot of Shopify users follow me. And I realized that most people were not doing emails, so what I've been doing on my Instagram is like educating them on emails, like you know, so I can get them on a retainer rather than just be a one-time thing. Yeah. The cool thing about this is they got free drinks, free coffee and tea, man. So, just finished up some work with the homie Siddiqui. He's actually right here. You can't see him, but you'll see him soon. What we're about to do is probably go to Shake Shack, grab some food, and if they don't have vegan eats or another restaurant, it's okay. We out here.
Nah, fam, I'm about to look up the vegan eats online right now.
Alright, so yeah, Shake Shack, then we're gonna go to Washington Square Park, mastermind a bit.
They have a vegan burger.
Yo, for real?
Yes.
Yo, that's lit. Alright, so we're about to do that. We're about to leave this sick Amazon place. As you know, this Amazon place is free. Got snacks and shit. Well, they got drinks, not snacks, but I ain't complaining, it's free. Other than that, I'm about to head out soon. I'll catch you guys after around Shake Shack, or maybe Washington Square Park. Peace. Alright, so we just ate Shake Shack. We about to head to Washington Square Park now.
Just ate Shake Shack. Woo. We out to Washington Square Park.
You heard?
Yo, you want to be in the vlog? Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Alright.
Yeah, we were gonna grab some acai bowls, but nah, we're not about to do that because we about to just go to Washington Square Park and chill because it's kind of fucking cold.
It's fucking
man.
brick out here.
It's brick out here, man. It's
yeah.
Brick, as they say in Toronto.
It's brick. We with the boys. Yo, the boys want to be on the vlog? Nah.
I don't know. What is up, everybody? I'm with the homie Sebastian. So the craziest shit is we met through Instagram DMs, like almost all my friends. And yeah, we in New York chilling. They're from Denver. Got some of his friends from Denver here too. They're just chilling here. We're just waiting for someone else. But yeah, man, let them know what you do, bro.
Well, I do real estate. So I'm a real estate license, and within that, I do a little bit of consulting because I do my marketing lead gen for all them. So I do one-on-one coaching. I do my agency, bunch of real estate shit. So,
hey, man. So what we're gonna do is blow up his personal brand. I'm gonna help him with that, and you're gonna see him everywhere, and he's gonna be known as the young real estate mogul, man.
Absolutely.
Trust me. So yeah, what we're about to do is head out. Where are we going right now?
Where should we go? Acai bowls, bro.
Oh, yeah, we're about to grab some acai bowls. I think we're gonna see the view. That's what your homie was saying.
Get some work done, then
get some work done, then eat some good food. Cause yo, when you're in New York, you gotta eat good. You know what I mean?
Good, absolutely.
100%. I'll see you guys later. This camera don't do this shit justice at all, bro. That's a nice view to work to, you know what I'm saying? What you thinking, man? Fucking with this view?
Oh, sure.
I know. Bro, this view is unreal. Hey, that's the homie. We about to leave now because we got kicked out. I spoke at this hotel once. What else is there?
The white kid would want to say that shit. Like the.
If you ever want to see some good salesmen, you gotta come down to New York. Because yo, focus. They know how to sell, man. Let them know. What do you think about all these hustlers out here, bro?
Bro, I mean, this is where dreams come true, bro. I mean, anywhere else,
Anywhere.
Like, people don't realize that. At Mexico too, bro, out there, people be hustling. If you think this is hustling out there, bro, people were like.
That's what happens when you like. I don't know.
People can't get themselves out of bed, bro. Like they can't make a phone call. And people out here like.
Yeah, so that just shows you, man. Don't be fucking lazy, because people out here really hustling. And yo, one day, the person that worked harder than you you're gonna meet him one day. He's gonna beat you, and you're gonna be like, fuck, I should have worked hard. So yeah.
You can't even send an email, bro.
Come on, man. Come get your shit together, bro. When we in New York, you know what we gotta do? We gotta link up with the homie Brian Doyle.
What's up, dog?
I'm saying, real
How are you,
estate.
sir? This guy's a great guy.
Hey.
Amazing guy.
Thank you. Yeah, so also known as real estate daddy. Is that what they call you?
Daddy, yeah.
That's what I call you. But yeah, we about to head to sushi. I don't know if I'm gonna film there because I want to enjoy the moment. But yeah, peace out.